Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make simple and easy chicken biryani with onion and carrot raita. So let's take a look at the ingredients. 2 cups of basmati rice. Here I have used Cuisine's basmati rice. Any brand can be used. Mint and coriander leaves. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. 2 small tomatoes roughly chopped. 2 teaspoons of ghee. 2 cardamon, 3 cloves, few pieces of cinnamon and 1 bay leaf, cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 3 green chillies, salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala. 2 small onions finely chopped, half carrot finely chopped, 1 cup of curd, half teaspoon of cumin powder and salt to taste. So here I have marinated 500 grams of boneless chicken with half cup of curd, half teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste before 30 minutes. So take a pan and add about 2 teaspoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add 1 bay leaf, few pieces of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 2 cardamon, half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped and mix everything well. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. Salt can even be added later, but by adding salt to the onion take less time to cook. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix everything well. Once the onion cooks well, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix everything well. Now add 3 slitted green chillies and mix everything well. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes, add 2 small sized tomatoes roughly chopped and mix everything well. Add quarter cup of water and cook the tomatoes well. If required, more water can be added later. Once the tomatoes become soft, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and mix everything well. Add the coriander and mint leaves. Mix everything well. After 2 minutes, add the marinated chicken. Mix everything well. If the chicken is tender, it automatically releases the juice. Cover it with a lid and cook well. For this recipe, we require 4 cups of water for 2 cups of basmati rice. After 10 minutes, check the water level and add more water if required. Here I have added 2 more cups of water. Mix everything well once the chicken is cooked. Add 2 cups of basmati rice. Mix everything well. Add 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala and mix everything well. Once the rice is 3/4 cooked, mix everything well. Now it's time to put the dum. Now take a pan filled with hot water. Place this pan on top of the pan filled with water. Cover it with a lid. In order to cover the hole in the lid, I am using a tissue paper and adding some drops of water on top of it in order to stick it to the lid. 10 minutes of dum is more than enough. After 10 minutes, our chicken biryani is done. So now we'll prepare the raita. For that, take 1 cup of curd and add 2 small sized onion finely chopped. Add half carrot finely chopped and mix everything well. Add some salt to taste and mix everything well. Now add 2 pinches of cumin powder or jeera powder and mix everything well. Our raita is ready. Finally, as a garnish, place few coriander leaves. This delicious chicken biryani can be served with this onion carrot raita. I hope so you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.